Okay, back from my holiday now, so I've had a chance to put the finishing touches to the sliding hatch for the Obsy. So it's on its wheels now. It's on its runners, which I've already posted before. Cables attached to the little winching boxes, which you can see up the top there, and obviously one on the other side. There's one on the other side. Okay, on the cables. Right. Okay, we'll give it a. Oh, hang on, steam train going by. Right, here we are. Inside, cables come down through holes in the ceiling over a little pulley, sort of like a marine style pulley, those are rated at 350 kilograms, braking rating is 700 kilograms, so we shouldn't have any problems here. And the cables come across. Sorry, cable the other side comes down over there. Cables come across to a common point in the centre, through two pieces of 75 by 75 mil steel angle. That's not stainless, thankfully, so I could actually cut it. Then two clips and two carabiners. Carabiners are rated at 650 kilograms, so they should be okay. Down the wall, steel cable down to a little winch, which is hooked here onto the floor, as close as I could get it to the floor, because I just about had enough wall space on this rear wall to actually get the hatch to travel fully. That at the moment it's coupled to this hand controller, which came with the winch. Hopefully tomorrow my relays will arrive, and I'll build the H bridge, and allow me to use my remote control. I've got a radio remote. Once I've built the H bridge, then hopefully I'll be able to use the remote control. That's all hooked to my well, the battery I've been using for my field battery, which is a 125 amp hour leisure battery. So okay, moment of truth. Let's give it a shot. See what happens. It's liable to be slightly noisy, I would imagine, because the winch is under quite a lot of load. Not quite sure what to point the camera at, really. I suppose the hatch might be a good starting point. Okay, there's the hatch. Not very wide angle, this camera, unfortunately, so you can't really see it all. But okay, if I depress the right hand button, it's probably going to say quite noisy, but here we go. Okay, good. Hatch. Oh, easier to go outside. This is going to make such a rubbish video. Okay, Obsy hatch is open. We'll go back a little bit further. I need to make a couple of little. It's basically fully open, but maybe could go back another few inches if I make a slight tweak to the cable lengths. But that is fully open now. You can see the rear of the hatch. Hopefully you can just about see the rear of the hatch. The rear of the hatch is off the back of the shed roof by about, I'd say about 18 inches, maybe a little bit less. And the rear double bogie wheels are sort of taking the additional overhang weight. But yeah, that's fully open. I think that's pretty stable. Well, I hope so anyway. There you go. Right, now I suppose the second moment of truth is, will it close? Now, so if we go around here and have a look, there you go. So that is fully open, so that hatch is almost completely flush with the upstanding. So it gives me a 6 foot square aperture bar. Okay, so if I lick the and then I'll release. There we go. So hatch closed under its own weight. I'm pretty happy with that. I think it all appears to hold up. Nothing snapped, broke, released, cracked, or any other form of damage. It seems to seems to work fine. Going to be slightly nervous about sticking my head up through that hatch the first couple of times I use it, just in case something does crack or snap. But yeah, there we go, job done. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Cheers then.